The Rebbe taught that in the word Tiberia is the story about that city's history and promise for the future. Take the two Hebrew letters at the end. They are Yud and Hey. Together, they point out a special closeness to God. What's left is Tabur. Tabur is a Hebrew word meaning the part of a baby that is connected to its mother before birth. From there, the baby gets all its needs. A great wise man named Rabbah took the word Tiberia and split it into two Hebrew words, Tova Reyata, meaning her sight has the quality of goodness. The Rebbe explained that good sight comes from thinking we can see only good in every person and at every moment, even when we think of things that are difficult for us. Beginning as a seed ready to take root and grow so that Kufata Geulah may begin in Tiberia. With goodly sight in mind, we can learn to be ever more glad for the kindness we receive from other people. We will, forevermore, want to show love for others from our true selves. Even today and tomorrow, this lesson of Ahavat Israel, showing love and being happy to receive it, is the message of Tiberia. As we enter to Tkufat Geulah, we are like a baby receiving nourishment from godly music originating in the depth of the freshwater lake, Yam Kinneret in Tiberia, in the highest unreachable places, the planet and the sun. Jewish tradition teaches that, in a harmonious melody of gratefulness and thanksgiving, all God's creatures have a voice in the choir. May we soon find ourselves dancing circle dances to music we have yet to hear, with many giants in Torah learning rising and coming alive again in Tiberian Tzfat. Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai with his students will be there, the very first Jews, now bearing Hebron's cave of the Machpelah, the cave of pears, will be our leaders in the future as they were in the past. The tears of Rachel, Yaakov's cherished wife, will never more be heard. She will stand leading Jewish women in circle dance with the prophetess Miriam and Ruth a Moabiyah, whose children's children brought King David and King Shlomo to the world. Yam Kinneret is called a sea, although it is a large lake. Its name Kinneret comes from the fact that its shape is like a harp. From its smaller side, on the coast of Tiberia, warm mineral springs bubble up to surface, making it a desirable place for people who need healing waters to bath. The rabbis speak of another spring near the center of Yam Kinneret, deep underground. It is the well of Miriam, which provided fresh water for the Jews traveling 40 years in the desert so long ago. Now, it brings happiness through hidden pathways beneath land and oceans, combating fear and sadness. The Alter Rebbe, the first Rebbe of Chabad Lubavitch, wrote in his Shulchan Aruch a book of everlasting truth and law. It is known that the well of Miriam is in the waters of Tiberia. Every night, immediately after the Shabbat, its waters appear in all wells and rivers. Families who drink some water after Shabbat goes out are making a good beginning for the new week, by starting off with the blessing She'akol Niheh Bidvaro and end with the blessing Borei Nefashot, taste the flavor of Eretz Yisrael. The Alter Rebbe encourages us to make Eretz Yisrael here, wherever we are. The rabbis teach that B'tkufat HaGeulah, geography will change. What is called Yerushalayim will grow to include what Torah tells us are the borders of Eretz Israel. All of planet Earth will rise in Kedushah, making right here and right now the new definition of Eretz Israel. Here is a boat being built on the shore of Yam Kinneret. It is unusual to see a boat being built so that the levels inside show. Noah's Ark had different levels for animals and people. It was also made of wood, like this boat, but it had extra coating To be sure, to be waterproof. Not only is this boat built to be deep, it is also large from front to back. A boat of this size sailing on the Kinneret gives you an idea of the size of the lake in the middle and from one side to the other.